I'm Manilin A. Manile, and this is my video about Republic Act number 4200. Uh, in this video, I will share my reflection on the interview between Senator Risa Hontiveros and Wang Fungwei and how it is connected to Republic Act number 4200, also known as the Anti-Wiretapping Law. This law protects the privacy of people. It says that no one is allowed to record or listen to private conversations without the consent or permission of the people involved. Uh, in simpler words, it means that if you are talking to someone, they cannot secretly record you or share your words unless you agree. Uh, in the Senate hearing, Senator Hontiveros showed a video of Wang Fungwei being interviewed. Before showing the video, she asked Wang Fungwei if he agrees to the video recorded and shown to the public. Uh, Wang Fungwei said yes and even said that he supported the Senate hearing in the Philippines. Uh, this shows that he gave his full consent. Because of this, the Senate did not break Republic Act 4200. They respected Wang's right to privacy and followed the law correctly. This situation is a good example of how RA 4200 works in real life. The topic being discussed in the in the hearing was very serious. It was about spying, Chinese influence, and POG operations in the Philippines. These are very sensitive issues, so it was important that everything in the hearing was done properly and legally. By asking for Mr. Wang permission, the Senate made sure that they were being fair and transparent while also protecting the person's rights. Uh, RA 4200 is very important because it reminds us that every person has the right to privacy. In today's world, where it is easy to record or share videos on social media, this law teaches us to be careful. We should always get permission before recording someone's voice, videos, or conversations. It is not only to follow the law, but also show respect for others. If we record or share something without consent, we can harm someone's name, safety, or even their life. What I learned from this interview is that even the government must follow the law. The Senate could have shown the video right away, but they did not. They asked for consent first, showing that they value privacy and fairness. This act shows that the law, like RA 4200, are not made to stop people from finding the truth, but to make sure the truth is handled the right way, with respect and honesty. For me, this reflection made me realize how important RA 4200 is in protecting our rights. It shows that privacy is a big part of justice. Even in big cases that involve spies or national security, uh, the law still values a person's consent. We can apply this in our daily lives too, before recording someone, before posting videos online, or before sharing private messages. We should always ask for their permission. It's a simple act that shows respect for others and keeps us within the law. Uh, the interview with Wang Fungwei shows how the anti-wiretapping law is applied in real life. Because since consent was given, the Senate hearing followed the law properly. This teaches us that in any situation, whether it's in government or in our everyday lives, we must always respect privacy and ask for permission before recording or sharing private conversations. Republic Act 4200 helps us keep trust, fairness, and honesty alive in our society, and it reminds us that everyone deserves to have their privacy protected.